Hello, ma'am. Good
Hello, ma'am.
afternoon, ma'am.
Hello, good afternoon, my dear students. Am I audible? Please show your thumbs up. Okay, fine. So without delay, we will start because today's work is again a challenging work. Lots of coloring, lots of techniques and little craft also. So, and don't worry, okay? Those who are not having material available, because I can understand at many places lockdown is happening these days. So if material is not available, no need to panic, okay? You can simply use the color medium available, okay? And see, this is, I will be giving full view, okay? Close-up view, okay? Yes. Okay, this close-up view will definitely help you. Last class, we learned this beautiful artwork. Today, we are going to make it complete using some craft also. Okay, we will be learning some roses and some flower leaves with paper cutting. If you don't have colored paper, you can simply take white paper, you can color it and make it simple. Okay, and if you feel that I don't want to do that, you can simply put some impression and decorate. If you have stones, shells, like pista shells we have. If you have this kind of material, you can try that. If you have feathers, if you have old discarded flowers, if you have this kind of discarded butterflies, anything available if you have, you can just decorate all around for making it looking great. Okay. So chalo, without delay, we will start. Okay. Waste cards, if you have discarded wedding cards, you can use them also. Colorful cards, they will look great. So let's get started. While doing correction of this drawing on my Instagram, many students requested that because of lockdown, the availability of foil pastel is little bit difficult. Okay. So we will be using the color medium, which is easily available with everyone. Okay. If you don't have art material, if you don't have art material, you just attend the class. You see, its recording will be uploaded on my YouTube channel, My Creative Mom, Leena Bandil. Okay. This is my YouTube channel, and Mother's Day special class will be uploaded there within few hours. Okay. After 4 to 5 hours, you can find the recording of that day's class when we learn how to draw at today's class. So don't worry. You will find many Mother's Day special cards on my YouTube channel. You will find Mother's Day special cake without fire. Yeah, cooking without fire. A cake is also available there. So if you want to give a surprise, prepare a surprise cake, chocolate cake and vanilla cake, fruit special vanilla cake. 2 cakes are also there. So you can visit my YouTube channel and you can do. Okay. So chalo, shall I start? Show your thumbs up. Ready? All of you? See, thumbs up with smile is the rule of our class. Okay? Yes, because when we start our work with a great smile, the same thing imbibe in our work. I believe this. Hai na? So chalo, let's get started. So see, students, first step we draw. Hai na? We learn it how to draw with pencil. Second step, we give outlines. We have done it. Third step, erasing extra lines. You will not start coloring unless you will erase all lines. Okay, if you remember, for making this face, we draw a circle, then we cut, then the 3 steps. So many extra unwanted lines are there. You simply use your eraser and erase all those lines very carefully. Okay, very carefully. If you were absent yesterday, beta, don't worry. You can visit my YouTube channel. This is my YouTube channel, and the complete class is available there. So you can visit there and you can see that. Okay? Yes. So this ways, I will erase extra lines. And while erasing, you are supposed to be very, very careful. Will not erase carelessly. It can tear your paper or it can be crushed. Now see, my all lines are clean. And now my drawing is ready to use. Full view. See, if I will give full view, Harshita, the drawing will look very small. And that's why I'm giving you closer view. As the file is kept vertically, so the drawing will look very small. Okay. Because of this little closer view will help you. So let's get started. We will be doing our face with plastic crayons. Okay. Plastic crayons. And I will be picking up pink color. I will pick up this peach color that is called skin color. Okay. Yes. Before this, I want to check that how many of you are having oil pastels. Show your thumbs up. How many of you are having oil pastel available? If not, show your thumbs down. Okay. Because earlier I was planning of doing it with oil pastels. Okay. So I think almost all of you are having. So in that case, we can try with oil pastel. Okay, so then we are going to do it with oil pastel. Okay, we all have. So we will drop this and I will come to my oil pastels. Okay, so oil pastel again, take your pink color. Come on, normal pink. Take your flesh tint color that is called skin color, flesh tint. Okay. See, those who don't have oil pastel, they will do the same with plastic crayons. Okay. They will do the same. If you have 12 shades beta, so you take pink color and then take your orange. Okay. Take your orange and then white. Okay, white. And make sure your white should be clean. If you feel that some colors are pasted over white, you simply take a paper and move. So what will happen? Your extra color will be removed and your white will become absolutely bright. Okay. So white color. My third color is white. Take these three colors, all of you. See here I can see little blue. So I will clean it. Otherwise, what will happen? This blue will come on my face. Clean it. Move your color on a rough paper and clean it. So I took pink. Am I audible? Please show your thumbs up. Am I audible? And can you see my video clear properly? Okay, so see, those who are not able to see, please check your internet. And now you must be having some issues, I think. Ready? Shall I start? Pink, fleshed and white. Now, first color is going to be pink. Take your pink. Samaira, if you have any doubt, you can message me. Okay? Message me. No, don't see number. Okay, Anya, don't see number. Just check pink color. If your shade is slightly here or there, suppose if you don't have this and you have taken this fluorescent pink, it's okay. Okay? Read the name, not the color. Okay? If voice is not coming, you can do one thing. You leave class and rejoin. Okay? Because from my side, the drawing is going perfect. Okay? If you don't have pink, then you simply start with this color. Okay? You can start directly with skin color. Now I will take my pink color. All of you now be attentive. Now be attentive. I will take my pink color. Now all of you listen first. Okay? See, when we use oil pastel, why we call it oil pastels? Oil pastels we call them oil pastels because they contain lots of oil. Okay? They are very oily. And because of oily, they have two qualities. First, they can mess up. And second, they can make your work beautiful like anything. But there is a perfect technique of using. Okay, now what is the technique? Now see here, I want to mix these three colors. You can see these are pink, flesh tint, and white, right? So whenever we use oil pastel, we always start with the darker tone. Okay, so I will start this pink and smoky. Whenever I will be using word smoky, it means like smoke, very light. Okay, so take your pink color and start moving smoky all around. If you feel that your color is surrounded with some dirty colors, clean it. Okay, if black, blue is pasted over, you clean on a paper and then use, okay? Otherwise that color will come. Just use it smoky. Come on, start doing. Spread it around here, all these flicks. Okay? And face, around nose, eyebrows. Now see, here you see, over eyes, lids. Okay, I will move over eyelids. And everywhere I'm moving my color, smoky. Very smoky, very light. Around lips. Okay, this pink touch-up will add a fresh look to our drawing. If you don't have pink, Riddhi, then you can simply start with skin color, okay? Smoky, it means like smoke. It means very light. I'm moving it very light. You know, I spread it here. Even the neck. Even your neck and this part. Okay? Wherever I want to show skin color, around, say this is also neck now. All around flower and this neck of dress. I just spread it smoky. Okay? See here depth, so here I can move it bas. Only this much pink is required. Okay? If you don't have skin color, Riddhi, you simply use light orange. Orange very light and mix it with white. So it will give you skin color. All of you have done this much? Same I'm going to do with child. With child also, all around face, over eyelid. Okay? Over lips, around hairstyle. I will move pink very, very smoky around hair. I simply move. See, during summers, it's very simple, easy to use oil pistil. But during winters, the oil of oil pistil, it get dried. So it is little challenging using during winters. If you don't have this better summer, you can use X crayons, but you won't be able to mix colors. Okay. If you don't have, you can, Katyani, if you don't have oil pistils, you start with plastic crayons. Samarth, you can also start with plastic crayons or wax crayons, whatever color medium available. Spread pink in that case also. This is not printed, Samir. We learn how to draw. Okay, when you will visit my YouTube channel, you will find the proper video of the method how we learn to draw. This is not a printed one. Okay. So you just visit my YouTube channel, attend previous class, and you will see, you will find how to do. Then show me, all of you show me how it happens. Smoky pink. Okay, fine. Great. Okay. So we spread it all around eyes. See, or move it here also, eyelid, near eyebrow. Okay, below eyebrow also. Around flower, around neck, everywhere. Okay. And I am moving it smoky. Now my second color. Now let's come on my second color. My second color will be flesh tint. Okay. How I will be doing? I will give a proper outline. Now see, I will give a proper outline. I'm not moving it smoky. First, I will go for proper outline with skin color. Come on. Very carefully. You can't sharp this color as these colors are very oily. So you are supposed to use it very carefully around. And see, I'm giving a proper outlines. Proper outlines around. Yes, yes. After moving it smoky. Okay, I will give a neat outline. Now see, I'm not moving my color smoky. I'm giving a neat outline and my outline is, it is almost on pink color, right? So here, when I am moving my color on pink smoky, pink and skin, that is flesh tint, is getting mixed. And actually, I want this only. Okay? Everywhere, around hair, around okay. I just gave a kind of outline I gave, right? Outline. You can apply a little more pink here near neck to show the depth. Okay, here, near neck. Apply a little more. And on eyelids. Okay. I gave a proper outline in hands and in face. Okay. In face and hands. Here also, see, all of you see here near this choti. See here to show depth. Here also I will add little more pink. Okay. Add little more pink. Okay. And I will just give outlines. So now what I did, I applied my pink color very smoky. And over that, I gave proper outlines of my skin color. Okay. And first we will complete mom. Okay. Lift up your work and show me how it happens. Very good. Okay. Very nice. Great. If you don't have pink oil pastel area, you just skip oil pastel and directly start with skin color. Very good. Now, the very important thing. Now listen carefully. Now, after giving proper prominent outlines, I will move my skin color smoky. Smoky, it means like smoke. How? I will extend the lines. I will move over pink, but this time my color is coming out and occupying more space over eyebrows, on eyelids, below eyebrows, and I'm moving my color smoky. Okay, now it is smoky. But I'm trying to cover up the space. Okay. See, it's wide. My lines are wide now. They are not narrow, but smoky, not prominent. Okay, very light. Continue. Continue with this. Okay, below eyes. Don't forget below eyes also you will be moving. Okay, move smoky below eyes, above eyelid, forehead. So see, when I just gave this kind of outline, so I find this kind of, here also around neck. And this time my color is almost smoky. Okay, yes. So this ways I just cover it up. And same I'm going to do with my, first let's complete this lady. Same you do in hands also. Extend the lines. Move it, make smoky. Make sure the lines should be smoky. Otherwise, what will happen if you will pressurize your color? Lines will come. And when you will blend, that it will be spoiled. So don't put pressure. Smoky, it means with no pressure. Okay. So see, I spread my skin color all around. Yes. Okay. Now, done? All of you have done? Show. Yes, I will check everyone's work. Very good. Amazing. Lovely. Excellent. Let's come back to work. Now this is the lightest color. In these three colors, white is lightest. So this is going to be my blender. Okay. Now how to blend colors? See, for blending your colors, all of you see here, when you blend your colors, you move your color round. How to move your color? All of you, just very carefully, you will be moving your color round. Round, it doesn't mean this way. It is wrong. Not this way. This is also wrong. Minute dots. And every dot you will repeat 4 times and next will be overlapping the first one. Okay, this ways we will be blending our makeup. All colors. Make sure your white should be perfectly clean. No color should be pasted over. And now I will start blending. Come on, start blending. Blend all colors. Pink, skin, all colors you blend. Move your white round. Come on, do this. Go in on the corners. When we go on corners, see, all of you see here, we pick up color. The skin color has been pasted. And when we come out, we blend it outside. When we go again in darker tone, we pick up few colors, some particles of colors. When we come out, and blending should be minute circles. Okay, minute circles. Don't go for big circles. Otherwise, the merging will not come perfect. If you want a perfect merging, then you will be going for small, minute circles. Okay. Now see, you will see after blending, this effect of pink, effect of skin, everything has been blended. And then makeup also, blender is there. We blend and finally the whole makeup is looking even. Okay, so for blending, we use the lightest color of a, yes. Okay, see this ways. I just completed this complete and I'm going to do the same in my skin color. Skin color also, if you find very limited space, you can go round straight, otherwise move it round, not big, small circles, small, okay? Normally in junior batch, I share stories, but not in senior batch. And see, a very, very important thing. All of you listen first. Very important thing. This kind of dust will rise. Okay. Immediately pick up your file and just blow it off. ठीक है, फूंक मार के उड़ा देना है, हाथ से नहीं हटाना है. Not on your table, out of your table. Pick up your file, out of your table. Okay, you will not remove it with hands. Otherwise, it will spoil your work. Okay, clean it. And this kind of dust will keep rising. You are supposed to clean it by blowing it off. Let's complete face off. Show me first. I want to check the work first. Please lift up. Show. Oh my God, I can't believe. It's looking great after blending. Okay. Now this next, for making baby also, we are going to use the same technique. Okay. We will move, give outlines with skin. And if you want to keep your baby little more, fair complexion, so you will be using less skin color and more white. Okay. Chalo. And if you want to show pinkish, you can add little more pink. Chalo, let's get started. And if you want to show your baby with dark complexion, you can add brown. So let's make very fair complexion. Okay. Chalo. Let's get started. So I just did this. I will be giving proper outlines. First, this is very important, proper outlines. Okay. And ears. Okay, all around I will be giving proper outlines, and now you know the technique. We will be, see here you can add little more pink. Wherever you have depth, and wherever you have, see here, add little pink here to show depth, and you can add little more pink here to show depth. Okay, skin color, and now start spreading. And we know the technique, we have done this same. Don't forget to show your pink below eyebrows, on eyelids. Don't forget to show it on eyelids and even on nose. Start spreading your color smoky all around the face. Okay, very smoky. Make sure there should be no pressure. Okay, no pressure on your color. It's very smoky. Yes, beta, there is a particular rhythm of class. I can't go very fast, So those who have done, they are a little quick. They will wait for others. Now I will blend with my white. We know we go in dark, then come in light, then again go in dark, then come in light. And we are supposed to go for very small, minute circles. Make sure if your circles will be big, your drawing, your blending will not come tidy. It will look untidy. Okay. And this ways you will keep blending, blending, and blending. And you will see after blending, it's looking great, isn't it? Yes. Let's complete this and see the baby is also done. Our skin color is almost done. See, this class is till 3:15. Okay, 3:15. But if we need time, we will extend the time. Is my voice cracking? Is my voice cracking? No? So Bhavi, you please check, beta. You must be having some internet issues, I think. Okay? Because rest all can hear me properly. Okay, now. Okay, remove dust out of your table. And don't remove it with hands, okay? Remove it without using your hands. Show the work. Let me check. Lift up your work. Great, okay? Beautiful. And this touch of pink, you will observe that it adds a freshness to the skin. It's looking great, very nice, amazing. Now, I will be starting with dress, okay? For making dress, you can try any color of your choice. Now make sure, students, now we will step on to darker tone. Like hair we will be showing with darker tone, dress with darker tone. So make sure not even a minute particle of your dark color should enter in your face. Otherwise, it can just make scratches because the intensity of the color is so high that even a minute particle can create a blunder. Okay? So now you are going to use it very carefully. Acha, tell me, how many of you are having plastic crayons? How many of you are having plastic crayons? You all have? Okay, fine. So let's make hair, because that texture, that silky texture will come very nicely with plastic crayons. So let's step on to plastic crayons, okay? And we keep using this kind of experiments. Mixed media work. This is called mixed media work, in which we color. Those who don't have, they will be doing the same with oil pastels, okay? As the texture of every color is different. So according to the requirement, we keep stepping on to different colors, okay? So the texture, silky texture will come very beautifully with this color. So take brown and black, okay? Brown and black. And those who don't have, they can simply do it with wax crayons, huh? Wax crayons, plastic crayon, pencil crayon. Today, whatever color medium is available, you do with that, okay? So I will take black and brown. You can take normal brown, you can take dark brown, any brown, okay? Now, first I will start with the outlines. Brown, I have taken brown, okay? You can turn your paper. Make sure your hand should not touch face. This color is so sticky that it will get stuck on your palm and it will keep stamping. Turn your paper, turn your file, and with brown, give neat outlines. Come on. With brown, okay? And you will find a lovely texture of hairstyle, because the texture is very good for making hairline. Okay, so we step on to, and this is always wise. You know? I always suggest my students to switch on to mixed media. Okay, because mixed media work is always appealing and very exciting. Output is amazing. So don't never get stuck to one single color medium. And because of this, I always suggest my students to keep all color mediums ready. So see, I started from here. Okay, with the flicks of mom. And very small strokes, one direction. I will start with the outlines. You can see I'm holding my color just like a pencil, and with small strokes and no pressure. Okay, make sure with no pressure you will be moving. Gently repeat every stroke 4 times. And see, give a thick outline first, as I'm giving. Okay, and go for brown. You will automatically, you will see that texture of hair, you know, that softness. I just kept it reverse so that you can do it nicely. Because from here, if we will do, so my hand will touch my face again and again, which I don't want, okay? But just turn your file. You please click on active speaker view, Galaxy 30. Yeah, you can use light brown also. You can use light brown also. Now see, I will start from here this ways, okay? As I want to show that complete fall of hairstyle, okay? I will first go round here, very gently, without pressurizing the color, and I will continue. I'm using plastic crayons, okay? These are plastic crayons of Camel. Okay, this brand I use. So, this is coffee brown color, dark brown, and simply, okay, I will start from upper portion. See, beta, I'm going to use black over brown. I'm also going to mix 2 colors. Okay, we are going to mix 2 colors, black and brown. And those who have colored already, they can simply see how we are doing, what techniques we are applying. Okay, so next time you can try the technique. Those who have colored, so we can't undo that, hai na? So now you just see the techniques we are using. Okay, now see, simply keeping that flow, I will start moving my color and I will connect. Okay, I will go from here, back side, simply small strokes, one direction. If you don't have black, so black is required, otherwise your hair will look brown. So black is very much important. And plastic crayons are erasable also. So see, this ways I will be showing I will start from back portion, the top part of my head. If you have done with oil pastel, then also it's okay. Okay. If you have done with oil pastel, then also it's okay. Those who have done, they can simply see the techniques we are implementing. Okay. Now see, I will move brown. And this way is a soft texture I'm able to create. Okay. See this ways. Now we can't unmute anyone. You please send your message better if you want to ask anything. Yes, we will cover the whole hairline with brown. And for plates, and I can turn my file for plates. I will be moving my color this ways. Okay, move your color this ways to just give that texture of hair. Okay, or you can do one thing, you simply fill, and with black we will give texture. Okay, we will give texture with black. So simply fill color in this complete plates also. Yes, Yoshita, what kind of help you need? These are my plastic crayons. Okay. Yoshika, you please type and send. See, my recording is on my YouTube channel. The name of my YouTube channel is My Creative Mom, Leena Bandel. Okay. So the recording of previous class and this class is there. You can visit my channel. You will find Cooking Without Fire, cake, and many cards related to Mother's Day. Mother's Day special cards are also there. 4 to 5 cards are there. So if you want to, so see, I will complete this plate also with brown. This is dark brown color. Okay, dark brown. Okay, well, just simply fill this with brown and we will be giving texture with oil pastel. Okay. Yes. Please send your doubt if you have any doubt. You can use any brown. Okay, you can use any brown. The texture of your color will depend on that. Okay, if you will use the darkest brown, Prisha, I'm using dark brown. The dark brown color. So see now, it's about to get over. Hairline. I will finish it quickly. And by the time I will be explaining face also, as continuously messages are here. We are going to move our black over brown. Okay, we will be moving our black over brown. Same technique. Those who have done brown now, they will start moving black using the same technique. Now, when you will move your black over brown, you will see that a lovely mixture is appearing and giving exact look of black, brownish black hair. Okay. So see this way is if you want to keep your hair texture, hair color brownish, more brown you want to keep prominent. So you will be applying black very light. Okay. So this ways you can add a texture if you will be using dark brown color. So see this ways I completed my complete hair with brown color. Okay. See. And now this is blank. Okay. How to start? Same ways as we started with flicks. Turn your paper. Otherwise, you will keep touching your face and face should remain untouched. Okay. Otherwise, the colors can simply move your color this ways. Okay. Yes. Simply first start with flicks and the same technique which you apply. So you will find a lovely texture and a very good soft texture for showing hair. Okay. This is actually thing which we wanted for our hairline. Okay. See this ways. I will start from the top and now you can take little more big strokes to complete the texture of hair. Okay. Go for soft lines. Okay. And just show start from here. Okay. The upper point of hairline and start moving. Just cover up your brown with black. And you will find the very realistic touch of hair. Okay. The texture. So what would have happened? In oil pastel, we would finding this texture is little, means the texture of oil pastel is different than plastic crayon. So for making hair, the texture of plastic crayon is best to us. So we switch on to plastic crayon. Okay. So we've used this wisdom and we keep switching on to different color medium for doing our work. See here. And now to show plates, turn your file again. All if you see one, then you can continue. See, for showing plates, I will be simply making this ways, lines this ways. Come on. Okay, make lines this ways. As it is completely colored, so it will just give the look of okay, and here. So it will look, the lines will give exact effect of that. Yes, after completing this, I will check work of everyone's. Okay, yes. To see it serves, use of plastic crayon serves are two purposes. First, that as it is plastic crayon, so that spoiling of face is saved. Okay. Those who have done, they can show the work. Or incomplete also you can show. Very good. Shabash, you all have completed. And many are doing. Okay, let's complete. Okay, let's complete. So I will complete this hairstyle. And now I will come on baby. Okay, for baby also, those who have done, start doing brown color in baby's hairline. Start doing yellow ochre color in baby's hair. Okay. Mine is also done. So see, after doing this place, when the moment I will switch on to baby's hair, so remaining part of hair you can do in homework, and you will also start with the next step with me. Okay. This is the way to keep ourselves in rhythm. Now see here, for showing this part, you will be showing each line this way. It will give exact look of hairline. Okay. Yes. If you don't have yellow ochre, you can simply use yellow or golden. Now start with simply fill, because child's hair I want to show goldenish brown, golden with little touch of brown. So I will be showing yellow ochre. You can take yellow or golden also. Yes, you can take golden also or yellow also. You can take yellow also because we are going to move our brown color over it. Okay, that will be hidden. So even yellow can also be taken if you don't have. Okay. And this way it will be done. So now see here, this is blackish brown. And now we are going to show golden hair. And cute babies, they have, yes, Gia, what help? You just show your, I just want to check the work. If you don't have yellow ochre, you can simply use yellow. See, for doing face, first I applied pink around face, very smoky. Then I gave outlines with skin color and then spread skin color also smoky. And finally, I merge all colors with my third color that is as blender tool, and that is my white color. I blend all colors with white. Okay, take brown. And now we do the technique. Simply move brown to show golden hair of baby. Okay, so see, these will look golden. Okay, so you can simply move go for outlines first. And then you start. Come on. And you will see that it is exactly looking, always start from back side. Okay, see, all of you see, start from here. When you are coming close now, start from back side, from top part. So your hairstyle will look very, very natural and realistic. Okay, see. See, you all will, we are going to upload the video on my YouTube channel. This is my YouTube channel's name. My Creative Mom, Leena Bandil. The previous class when we learned how to draw, and today's class I will upload on my YouTube channel. Okay, you can visit, and as I told you, again I'm reminding you, Mother's Day special cake is also there, chocolate cake without fire. So if you want to make surprise cake, because during this time it's difficult to go out, so you can try, take ideas from there. See, this ways I will move and make, see, child's hair, golden hair, है ना? Yes. This part, this flick is left. Let's complete this also. Mom's flick, brown and black. Okay, I want to check the work now. Now, baby and mom's face is done. Okay. Lift up your work and show. It's beautiful, lovely. And see, on the basis of the mixing of black, you all are having different textures of mom's hair. Lovely, excellent work. Okay. Now see, if your hair, this hair part is left, you can stop it. Okay, you can stop it. You can do it afterwards. Now start with the new step with me. Okay, this is the way to keep yourself in rhythm. If I'm teaching new and you are continuing with old, so you won't be able to keep yourself in rhythm. So now if suppose your hairlines are left, you can do it afterwards in homework. Now you know the technique. Let's start with lips. Okay, and let's complete the lips also with this. You can take dark pink with orange. Okay, dark pink with orange. You can take red with orange. Simply put orange, very light, in the corners and mix it with, don't make it very prominent. Okay, very prominent, don't make it prominent, simply, okay, show the lips. See beta, if you were not able to attend last class, है ना? It is Shrikar Karthik. If you were not able to attend last class, don't worry. The complete video of last class, है ना, step-by-step technique is available on my YouTube channel. You draw with that, okay? And self-portrait. Okay, that's great. You can send it on my Instagram ID. Now, all of you take your pencil, because a very important step of the artwork, and that is highlighting. Before this, we can complete even red with plastic crayon only. Red bindi, very dark. Okay, make it very dark. And take your plastic pencil. Okay, you must be thinking, what is the use of pencil now? See students, as I told you, oil pastels are very oily, है ना? And we gave outlines and afterwards we did color. So you must be watching, you must be able to see that eyebrows and eyelashes, they are overlapped with colors. So they are not that bright as they should be, because they are the features. So let's highlighting. Now highlighting with pencil, this step is called highlighting. You just turn your paper and start moving your pencil on outlines carefully. So when you move your pencil on outline, actually you are scratching color. See, I scratch color. Can you see on my finger? I'm scratching color and highlighting my points. Yes. Yes, it's 3-1. Time goes so fast. Yes. Highlight this. And simply Even the features, you know, features are very important. So simply move on eyebrow. Okay, this eyelid. Very carefully. Huh? You are supposed to be very much careful. Otherwise, your work will be spoiled. Okay, and lips. Outer outline, if you don't want to highlight, it's okay. Now, like, see this child's features. Eyes are hidden. Let's highlight. Eyebrow is hidden. Let's highlight. And the features you can highlight. If you don't want to give outlines in face, outer part, the inner part, the features you highlight. Okay. You will see that features are very highlighted now because we scratch the color smartly. Okay. If you don't want to give highlighting in this hairlines, it's okay. Because here, if they mix, it's okay. But features you can highlight. Okay, very carefully. Stable lines, you highlight your features, hands, and very carefully you will be doing this. Okay? Yes. So now this face is done. Now let's come switch on to our, yes, let's switch on to our watercolors now. Okay? Now see, this work is done. Here also we will be doing watercolors. Now the time for watercolors. Your most awaited. Okay? So are you ready with your cotton, paintbrush, earbuds, watercolors? Ready? Okay, and remaining part of this you can do in homework. Okay, like hair, so small part of hair is left, highlighting is left, you can do in homework because little cutting is also left. Okay, so let's get started. Keep your water container ready. Okay, and cotton. I am going to, as color, red is the color of love. And I will be giving this complete background. I will be making it with red. Okay, red all around. I will keep this middle part white and I will be making it red. Dip your cotton in water. Okay, remove extra water. And with paintbrush, you can take pink also. Okay, pink is also there. Red, orange, yellow, any color of your choice. Okay, any color of your choice you can take. I will squeeze my cotton and with help of paintbrush or earbud, I will take red color on my cotton. Okay, red. And I will be giving, to add that warmth, you know, I will be using red in my background. Come on. This complete upper part, I will give you full view now. Okay, that's how we are doing. Okay, and let's get started. First, I will move very carefully around the circle we made. Okay, this shape. And I will just complete it in round or straight, anyways. Okay, because limited space is there, not much. Red will add warmth. Okay, you can try orange, you can try purple, any color of your choice. Make sure it is feather touch. Don't go for very harsh. Okay, and gradually your tones, your lines will turn light. है ना? And now if you can want, we can continue it here also. I think it will look good here also. Okay. Move it very carefully around the plates. Take little more if you feel that color is exhausted. Take little more. है ना? If you feel that cotton water is also less, take little water also, paintbrush only. And let's continue the bottom part also. Okay. Very carefully keeping your plates safe, I will be simply moving it straight downwards. If stripe texture is coming, it will look great. Let the stripe texture if coming. Otherwise, you can simply try with this ways. You can continue with this bottom part. Okay. Finish this. Okay. The dress is also left. है ना? So we can add any color. Okay, we take any color for making dress. Your favorite color you can take. है ना? I'm going to take, let's make it blue. Okay, blue or purple. Purple I will be using for showing the dots at the back. Okay, now the time for making roses, because it is 3-8. Yes, undoubtedly our class is going to get extended. Okay, now, okay, I will be making the dress of mom with, you can take light green, you can take brown. Brown with red will not match. You can take any other light color also, like yellow. You can take even yellow color. Okay, okay. Take your earbud and simply fill yellow around the dress with earbud. Okay. And if you feel that, yeah, I can do it with, give outlines first. Okay. And all over, you will be giving outlines all over. And simply with help of water, now with help of water, you will be extending the lines and fill it with earbud. As it is a very small part, quickly you can do it. Okay. Light or dark, don't worry. You can take any color, orange or any favorite color of yours. Here you are free with your color schemes. Okay. If you feel that you can use paintbrush, yes, you can try. If you feel that, yeah, I can handle it nicely, you can definitely try that. Okay. And don't forget to add some beautiful dots to add a warmth here. Okay. So first I will make the flower in here. Orange or yellow or white also can be made. Any color. Pink is also there. Let's add a warmth by adding pink color in background. You can try even purple. Okay, add some warmth. Earbud I will be using. Okay. And I can try this flower also with pink and white. And I would just want to make it very light. This way is add some dots in this white part. Okay. Okay. Now, if you want to add any pattern in dress, and suppose if you want to add a border or a flower, you can add a texture and design in your dress also. Okay. Now flower in here, I want to make pink with white. Okay. So I will take pink first and earbud only. As I've used pink. So I will be simply using this pink. Okay. This can be done with any color you can try here. And finish this big, beautiful flower in here. Because we have shown Indian beauty. Okay. With a black dot, very carefully. And you must be feeling that you are lost in a world of colors. You know? When we do it with focus, it just takes us to some other world. And that world is a world where everywhere colors and your imagination is there. No stress, nothing. Colors have this power. Okay? So try this again and again. Pick up some artworks and just disappear. Just feel lost in that. So see, I took pink and I will be taking purple as the center. Okay, very simple flower I will be making. Okay, now time for little craft. Okay, I will be showing one flower and one leaf. Okay, if you have heart shapes, and many of you must be having this kind of stuff. Normally we have lots of stuff of this kind, like this kind of heart shape. Sometimes we have stones, we have feathers, some dry arrangement also we have. So you can try anything using your imaginations. Sometimes we have this kind of butterflies, discarded stuff. So we can try this kind of stuff also, okay? This is your imagination now. Now, ready? Shall I start with craft? Huh? Okay. Now be prepared with your scissors and paper. You can take any paper. If you don't have colorful paper, no need to worry. You can simply color your white paper and make roses. Even the golden and silver you can try. Okay, golden and silver can also be tried for making it. Let's give a wonderful touch to our work. Okay, and students, yes, I will suggest with this beautiful drawing on Mother's Day, gift a promise. You know what your mom wants you to do, like eating healthy foods, looking at TV very less, spending less time with mobiles, helping a little. Yes, you can gift a promise. I'm going to do this. And you know what is that promise which is going to make your mom more than happy? How many of you know that what promise is going to make her more than happy? We all know. So can we promise that? Huh? Yes, we can. Chalo, let's get started. Scissors and paper. Okay. Yes, for clear view. For clear view, I have taken yellow. Now see, students, one more thing. Pista shells, if you have, you can use them. Today, our environment need recycling. Recycling. So this kind of waste project for covers, or this kind of, you can use even wedding cards. This kind of wedding cards can be used. And see, this kind of golden paper normally we get with sweets. When we get gifts, sweets, now, so this kind of golden and silver paper we get. So we can use this also. Okay. So now how to make? Come back. First, I will teach how to make a rose. For this, take a paper. Let's make one and then you can make many. Let's take a paper and draw a circle. Okay. I will be making the bigger one. Draw a circle. Do with me. Even golden paper can be used for making golden roses. Wedding cards. So try to recycle. You can make it with any. White roses will also look good. Okay. So I just draw a circle. I will give full view. And I will be making lines with sketch pen. You don't make it with sketch pen, okay? I'm making with sketch pen so that you can see. You make it with pencil, okay? Draw a circle. Come on. 4 to 5 flowers of different colors. You can make golden, silver, pink, blue, white. Now, white also looks good. Now, decide a point. Take a point on the boundary. Come on. Take a point anywhere. Take a point. And draw a circle. You can draw a freehand circle. You can even... Done? Now take it from here. Now start moving round. Now start making one more circle inside. And see here my circle is about to get over, but I will not make. From this point only I will go inside. My circle is about to get over, but I will not make a circle. I will go inside. And I will make this kind of spiral shape. Come on, make this kind of spiral shape. All of you, we are going to learn roses, big and small roses. Okay? And we will cut the circle. We will cut circle. Okay? Simply cut circle first. If you have artificial flowers, sometimes we have artificial flowers. Yes, you can use them. If you have dry flowers, you can use them. If you have pista shells, you can use them. If you have stones, you can use them. If you have discarded jewelry, necklace or something, you can just put in frame as a frame. Anything can be used. Today's students, environment need reuse and recycling. See, now after this, I will start cutting this spiral shape. Come on. Very simply from outside to inside. Carefully, I will go round, round, and round. Okay, and this complete class is available, will be available on my YouTube channel. And we are starting with our new batch from Wednesday. Okay, so I will be sharing the details of group enrollment also. And see, this is the spiral shape. When you will do it, it will look like a snake. Cut it. It will look like a snake. So after making this kind of snake, see what I did? I draw a circle. Then I just draw a spiral and I cut. Now it is looking like a snake. Is your snake ready? Okay, cut it, cut it. Cut it, I'm waiting. Okay, so you will find this kind of head and this kind of head and this kind of tail. Okay, this way. When you cut, it is looking like this. Now start rolling from tail. Start rolling round and round. Round, round, just move round from tail. Start rolling tail. Start rolling tail. If you don't have any color, you just cut circles, then paint it, and then make your flowers. After making flower, it will be difficult to paint, okay? So first you paint your circle and then you cut it. See, this ways, I will be, and my rose will be ready. I will be showing roses. See. Yellow rose, and I make lines with pencil. I made, see, this is a wedding card, purple. This card is purple from one side and pink from another side. So I used one side this and one side light pink. See, and the sweet, normally we get this kind of sweet attachment we get now. So these are golden roses. Now see, after rolling, all of you, this is not completed. After rolling, put Fevicol on head. Put Fevicol. After rolling it, put Fevicol on head. Put Fevicol on this circle and put your rose over it and press it. Put your rose over it, press it, and it will be pasted. Okay, that inner circle we have now, put little Fevicol. Yes, I will be showing what to do. I will be showing it again. You will be making a circle. Okay, you will draw a circle first. You will draw a circle and then you will make spiral. Okay, then you will cut, and then when you will cut, you will find this kind of snake shape. This kind of shape. So you will start rolling from snake tail. Okay, and then you will go and the inner circle you put Fevicol and paste it. Press it like this. Okay, and your rose will be ready. Okay. And I will simply fold and cut some leaves also. And I will fold and cut this way's leaves. C shape. I will find this kind of leaves also. Fold and then cut your leaves. So you will find a shape of leaf. Okay. Yes. Yes. Do you want me to repeat flower? Okay. I will be repeating again. Now see very much carefully. Draw a circle and then from one point you draw a spiral shape. Okay. Now you cut your circle. Cut your circle. You can make big or small roses. Simply cut your circle. Okay. After cutting, you cut this spiral shape also. Very carefully you see, those who are not able to understand the first one, see it carefully because this is the most important. I will be showing leaves also, okay? And then you will start rolling from the tail. See, this is tail, this is head. Start rolling tail. Start rolling, okay? And you will keep rolling, rolling and rolling. You will reach to head, okay? Then finally, after rolling, you will reach to head. So what you will be doing, you will put little Fevicol on head. Okay, put little Fevicol and then put little Fevicol and then just do your rose pasting over it. Paste it over it. So your rose will be ready. Okay, this is the technique of making roses. Now how to make leaf? See, all of you see how to make leaf. Take green paper or any paper. Just fold. Very good. These are looking great, Arshia. This is different technique now. Same. Okay, fine. And it's okay. See, this is the fold and simply cut a C shape. Okay, draw a C shape. So you will be able to get the leaf. Okay, this way you will be finding this kind of three-dimensional leaf. Okay, so I made many flowers. You also make after when the class will get over. Okay. And now is the time. Yes, all of you show one rose. Is one rose ready? One rose ready? Okay, fine. Perfect. Amazing. Now see, I will be showing the complete arrangement of my leaves. I will simply arrange my flowers around it. Okay, lots of yes, I have these pink flowers. I have yellow. Okay. Then golden. Okay. Golden also. Then again yellow. I can simply make a bouquet. I have small, tiny orange flowers also. Okay. I have small tiny orange flowers also. And then a golden flower, one more golden flower is here. Okay, you can make a bouquet and a small tiny bouquet in the corner and finish it with leaves. Okay, I will be showing how the arrangement will look after completing. Okay, simply finish it with leaves. This ways. Okay. You can see how I'm arranging. Small leaves will come in the corner. Okay. Small leaves will go in corner and big leaves will be left on the sides. Okay. This ways you can complete your artwork. If you want to add some leaves in your artwork also here, yes, you can add. Okay. And using this green paper, make lots of flowers of light color, dark color. Okay, any color you can use. So upper side, I will be completing with leaves. Okay, this ways you can complete your flower bouquet with small leaves and big. See, this ways my drawing, my artwork is almost done using my technique of little touch up of craft with this. Okay, see, this ways I completed my complete work. Okay, you can use any other color, bright color. If you have heart shapes, you can arrange heart shapes. Anything can be arranged for making it looking decorative and beautiful. Okay, so you are absolutely free with your creativity. And Wednesday, we are starting with a new batch. Okay, and before that, I just want to tell you about, see, this is our complete artwork. See, this is our complete artwork. I will give a full view. Okay, this ways you can completely give a frame like this. Okay. Yes, work is going on. I can see all are busy making this kind of, may add this kind of small flowers. This add beauty and a very small tiny flowers, or some, you can use some beads also, some heart shapes also. Acha, recording of today's class is on my YouTube channel, my creative mom, Leena Bandil. And after completing your work, you can send it on my Instagram ID. My Instagram ID is artgeo_classes. Okay. And we are starting with a new batch from Wednesday. Okay. So these are special offers. Those who want to take benefit of these offers. See here, on the very special occasion of birthday of our classes, if you go for group enrollment, like 3 students at a time, then your fees will be reduced to 900. And if you go for group enrollment of 5 students, so your fees will be reduced to 800 per student. And if you go for group enrollment of 8 students together, then it will be 650 only for per child. Okay. So this is a very special offer for this month of ArtGeo. Okay. And for one student, it is 1200. Okay. For one student, there is no concession. And I want to check the work. And if your moms are there, otherwise convey from my side, happy Mother's Day to them. Okay. And lots of blessings. And yeah, your floral work is left. I want to check the work. Please lift up your work. I want to see that how it turn up. Okay. If pasting is not dry, then don't pick up. Very beautiful. Lovely. And hopefully you all must have enjoyed today's class. You can take artificial flowers also. What happened, Manasvi? Manasvi, you don't have work? You don't have work done? Okay, don't worry. Our complete video is available on YouTube channel. You can see from there, okay? So draw and color from there. Both the classes are available on our YouTube channel. So this was all about, and we are going to start with our new batch from Wednesday, okay? Wednesday, we will start with the new batch. So those who want to get enrolled, please drop message, WhatsApp on this number. Please note down this number. It is 7617410911. Okay, yes, I can see pista shell. Sanvi Gupta is looking great. She used pista shells flowers. And pista shells can also be used. So this is all about, and for babies, hair I did golden and brown. So if you enjoy today's class and Mother's Day class, this Mother's Day special class, so please show a thumbs up with a great smile. Let me see how many of you enjoyed. Yes, badi wali smile. Okay, the bigger the smile, it means bigger most you enjoyed. Thank you so much. So with lots of love, I will wind up class. May God bless you. Bye-bye. Lovely. Anya, show. Yes, flowers are perfect. Continue. Very good. Very good.